this is Griffin, and I'm going to show you the rest of my Raticai cards, because I forgot to show these. Here you go. I got Xylos, Rhinoff, and Bash. Bash is weird looking to me. I got another Hasty Bound. Another Dizzler. Got Beam Blast. I got, what is this, Pounce? Oh, I didn't see this one, Pounce. And I got Plasma Energy Blast. I got Paralyze Spray. Nightmare. Lightning Strike. Magma Mace. Time Shift. Bulgler. These are my 3 gold cards. Bulgler, Cyberx, and Mananox. Those are 3 of my favorites monsters. Chwai Squad. What's this? Miraculous? I don't know. Another Tri Squad, except red version. Teeny. Hailstorm. Off Slam. Ear Splitter. Doom Draws. Whoa, that's freaky. Degeneration. And with the mouth. That's a little weird. Cyclonic Attack. Screech. Whirlwind. Oh gosh. I'm almost done. A Slab. Another Web. I got a lot of these. Web Attack. Another Xylos. Forsting. What is it? 1 second. Forsting. And a rare Megapulse. And this was part 2 of the rest of my Raticai cards. Bye.